Burnwood back in the bush is. I'm just hanging out. I got a steak I'm going to cook on the fire here in a little while. Just enjoy it, man. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Oh yeah, got me a chair out here and everything. I was originally going to just go off somewhere and hammock camp, some random spot, just look for a spot. But I wanted to come check on the shelter and see how it was holding up. And once I got into kind of cleaning it up a little bit, I was like, you know what? Let's just hang out here tonight. Took the easy road out, but it's doing good, man. I want to do something different to it. I actually want to build it up. Like, it's got a good pallet platform floor. I want to do something with walls or something. I don't know. I'll work on it. But yeah, man, just enjoying it. Right now it's about 5:30. And had a good fire. Started it with leaves today. Leaves and a lighter, man. I've got some oak on here. It's a little wet. Hopefully it'll catch. I ain't in no hurry. And then later on this evening got a steak. We'll throw that steak on there. Got some Idaho and instant mashed potatoes. Been a little bit since I slept in a hammock. I'm looking forward to it. It's only gonna be like 55 degrees tonight, if that. So I got an underquilt, top quilt. That's it. Got Hammock Mountain Outdoors underquilt, 50-degree underquilt, and I got a Hammock Mountain Outdoors 30-degree top quilt. And I got a Hammock Mountain Outdoors Coyote Pack hammock. And I got a Hammock Mountain Outdoors tarp. What up, Kurt? Floyd's chair. This leg's been off all through hunting season. Well, guess what? I just found the screw to hold that leg in up in the shelter. A lot of what I've been doing is making sure that I've got morning firewood. Toby. This steak is probably about a week old since we bought it at the store. And it just got moved to the back of the fridge. So I'm wondering, it smells fine, if it's good. We'll find out. A little steak spice. Man, that fire's hot. Get some water on for those mashed potatoes. I don't think I'll eat the entire packet of mashed potatoes, but I might. Might as well put a little steak spice in there too. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That little steak and instant potatoes were just enough. Go to sleep with my belly full. I'm really looking forward to sleeping in that hammock. Maybe it'll make my back feel better. But I just heard some screeching out in the woods. I couldn't tell if it was a bird. It didn't really sound like a bobcat. Wasn't too far away. I guess they smell all this food, this meat. Come get some. I'll feed you. I'll feed you a hot one. I've enjoyed this one. It's been pretty fun. Just relaxing. I ain't really done a whole lot. There was wood already out here. Some of it a little wet, but steak was good. I just hope it wasn't too old. It didn't taste old. I texted my wife. I said, if I start throwing up, come get me when I call you. Or I just tough it out in the woods all night with food poisoning. I don't think it'll be like that. It's all good. Oh, I gotta pee. It's like 7:30, 7:40. I got to get up. I just looked on my phone and it got down to, it's 50 degrees right now. I think this 30-degree top quilt did fine, but the under quilt, it's just not warm enough because my backside has been cold or just chilly all night. I've got to get me a warmer under quilt. I mean, there's no gap really under me. It's up nice and snug. I slept good though. There ain't nothing left of that fire. I guess there is. First order of business is coffee. And then I'm probably gonna have to break out the wipes. Even though it's 50 degrees, it's a chilly 50 degrees. Uh-oh. Something going on in the neighborhood. Well, I guess it's about time to pack up and get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Appreciate you watching. See you on the next one. Which one came first? The chicken or the egg? Neither one of them. It was the rooster!